to our friends and neighbors around the world. We are ready to take our place as a reliable member of the community of nations. A nation serious about its commitments and which harmonizes its national interests with its international responsibilities. We will be a...
Good evening, I'm Ken Bastida. Dana is off tonight. He was murdered and then set on fire while celebrating his birthday.
Pirate radio stations are creating increasing problems for aeroplanes flying over the capital. Air traffic controllers say the illegal broadcasts often block out vital communications with pilots. Kurt Barling has more.
Pirate radio has long been seen as a social nuisance by the authorities. Now the fear is that a crowded radio spectrum means a greater potential danger to aviation over the capital.
할아버지, 몇 살이에요? 몇 살이냐고.
몇 살이야? 나 몰라. 다 잊어버렸어. 머리 안 좋아. 다 잊어버렸어.
알았어요.
네.
Desidido ang empleyada ng Philippine Airlines na ireklamo sa Kamara at sa Ombudsman ang umano'y nambastos at nang insulto sa kanya na si Party List Representative Eulogio Magsaysay.